Do you know if your fast charger is actually fast or slowly damaging your gear? Well, stay tuned and I will show you a device you need to look at that will help you do some detective work to figure out what's going on. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the AVHzY USB A and USB-C tester and 3 things you need to know. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item when you're ready. Thing number 1. Now, I originally had written down here that it supports USB A&C. Well, it actually supports mini USB too. You just kind of have to look a little bit for it. It's an option, and there's less and less of it there. USB-C is pretty much taken over that. Thing number 2, the resistive load helps with testing without having a target device. Now, be warned, it's got 2 pretty beefy resistors on there, and it doesn't take long for them to warm up, and they don't glow or anything, but you'll know as soon as you hear the sizzle of burning flesh, because those things do heat up. Conversely, once you're through testing, turn off the power to the load device and give it a couple of minutes, and then you can safely handle it. I can get it out of the USB tester, but just be careful. Thing number 3, the display can be changed on the fly to show as much or as little information as you desire. And there's quite a bit to be heard from this device. In addition to the normal volts and amps, it has 2 different displays that look like what you would see with an oscilloscope. So if there's a lot of variation going on, while the numeric displays can tell you that, you see more of a historical view of things when you get into what I call the oscilloscope type display, because it shows you the actual ripple or raising and lowering. So you can see just more than just a few seconds, but it will at least give you an idea of what's going on. So take a look at this device and think about getting one today. The more you do with USB devices, especially if you're getting into some of the V-mount batteries that you see me doing reviews on, because it really helps to know what's going on with those ports. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate that. Please look at the description for the URL to use to purchase this item when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.